Hello everyone, this is Gabrielle, and in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to use the Ordinance Ready feature. First you'll sign in to Family Search, and once you do so your name will come up on this right hand side. Once you get to this screen you will click on Temple, and then you will click on All Reserved. If you have any family file names, it will show up here in this All Reserved file. You can also see which names you've not printed yet, which names are printed, or which names you've shared with the temple or with others. However, we will be focusing on this feature right here called Ordinance Ready. So you'll click there. So this feature is really great if you guys are planning on going to the temple but you haven't found a family file name yet. So this feature scans your entire family tree, cousins, second cousins, children, other marriages, all of your ancestors for a family file name. So here you can select what kind of ordinance you plan to do. So for this tutorial we'll plan on doing baptisms and confirmations. So you'll click and it searches your entire family tree. It's important to note that this can also take up to 2 or 3 minutes to search. So here it says we found 4 people that need ordinances performed. You'll click View People, and here it's found 4 family file names that I can take to the temple. So I will click Take to the Temple. This notification just informs you of how to print the family file names correctly. Make sure that you have white paper, and you will need to cut them 3.25 inches by 5 inches. Click Continue. This will create a PDF where you can print this file, and then you will cut out the family file names and take them to the temple. Once you've done this, you are completely ready. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more helpful videos like this. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section and I will be sure to get